Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the last cash stuffing for October, and I have some October nails. These were just super easy nail stickers. I wanted to do something festive for the holiday, but I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. I do have my cash breakdown off to the side, and today we're going to be stuffing $545 total. So I'm going to go ahead and move my sinking funds binders off to the side and then get started on my cash envelopes here. So I'm going to go ahead and start out with groceries, and groceries does have some money left over, but I do need to pull from this. I think, what did I get? I think I got like some Keurig K-cups. So I have 20, 40, 60, 81, and 20 going into here. So we now have 20, 40, 60, 81, 120, 140, 141 in groceries. All right, next up, we're gonna do dining out, and dining out is empty. I did really bad this time, but dining out is getting 75, so we're gonna give it 3 20s, so that's 60, 2 5s, and 5 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hopefully I do okay with this. If you're new here, I stuff my envelopes to last me for 2 weeks. I get paid twice a month. So next we're going to be doing spending, and spending is also empty. I was treating myself, you guys. So I have 2 20s and 2 5s going into spending. I just thought, you know, on my birthday month, I deserved to treat myself, and that is definitely what I did. I spent some of that on some nail stickers. I think it's really fun, and it was just an easy way to have my nails done. Next, we're going to be doing car wash, and I still need to get my car washed. It rained here a few days ago, so I was holding off on that. But we now have 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And that's enough to last me a couple car washes. And lastly, we have household. I did have to buy some household products again, so it's empty, and I'm only going to be putting $5 in this time. And that is it for my cash envelopes here. I'm going to go ahead and hop right into my sinking funds, and I'm going to go ahead and start out with my clear binder here. So first up, we got wish list, and I actually did get some Rothy's, so I'll keep you guys updated when they come in on how I like them and stuff. So I'm going to be giving $15 to wish list. That's going to be a 10 and a 5. So wish list now has 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, 490, 500, and 5. All right, next is Adventures, and Adventures is getting 20 today. So Adventures now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 195. I'm thinking about spending this for our anniversary this year. We're not sure where we want to go yet, but I think it'd be nice to just do something fun and just break up our usual routine. Next, we're doing travel, and I still don't have any travel plans, but I'm stuffing this just in case. So travel now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 440, 460, 470. So 470 in travel. And I'm thinking of moving travel to an online account starting next year, but we'll see. I think I'm just going to reevaluate some of my sinking funds once the new year comes to see like what I want to focus on. Next, we've got Christmas, and I actually already started Christmas shopping because I'm sure you're all like aware of like shipping delays and things being out of stock. So I've definitely started, and I've also started picking up some little like decor things. So I'm really excited for that. So I did pull some money from here already, but I'm giving it 50. So we now have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 850, 900, 950, 1,000, 1,050, and 5. So 1,055. And the reason why I didn't put a 1K slip in here, I know I went over this last video, but if you're new here, it's because I'm already starting to pull from this to like deposit into my account to pay off my credit card. I'm already starting my shopping. So I don't expect to spend all of this, but I'd rather have it here versus depositing it, having to get a 1K slip, and then obviously I think the balance is gonna fall below 1K because I do plan to spend a few $100s on everyone in the family. And that is it for this binder. Let me know how you guys are doing with your Christmas envelopes. I think I'm still gonna stick to stuffing mine just in case, just to stay ahead and prepared for next year. It feels really nice to be prepared this year. All right, so up first in my rose gold binder is clothing, and clothing is getting 74 today. I did deplete this this envelope, so all it's gonna have is this 74 in here. And you know what, guys, I forgot I meant to put 5 ones in spending, so I'm gonna switch this out really quick. That way I have the correct denominations. Okay, thank goodness for having a cash breakdown off to the side, otherwise I would have been in trouble later. All right, up next is holidays, and holidays is getting $50. And that's just gonna be one $50 bill. So now holidays has 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 320, 340, 345. Next we've got home, and home has also been like on the back burner. This is just to kind of like redecorate my house, but I'll probably start focusing on this like next spring, and it's just getting 5, so now it has 125. All right, next we've got beauty, and I did finally get my hair cut. I cut like 4 inches off, 4 to 4.5 inches off, and it's still kind of like not mid. Yeah, I would say like probably around mid back length. So it's still really long, you guys. But it just feels nice to have the dead ends taken care of. So I'm gonna give beauty 5. I don't have any like appointments or anything planned, but just in case. So now beauty has 100, 110, 115, 116, 117, 118, and 119. All right, up next we've got gifts, and this is the last envelope I'm going to be stuffing. And gifts is getting $70. I've already started shopping for my sister's birthday gifts. Now I need to look for my boyfriend's gifts, so we'll see how that goes. Now gifts has 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 370, 390, 410, 415, 416, 417, 418, and 419 in gifts. All right, guys, and that is it for today's cash stuffing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any fun plans for this weekend. I'm going to be getting my COVID-19 booster shot, so I don't anticipate doing too much besides kind of like recovering from that. And maybe just like staying in, watching a Halloween movie, having some popcorn, and just relaxing and enjoying the holiday weekend with lots of candy. But as always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.